Whether you're in need of late morning energy, an afternoon pick-me-up, or post-workout fuel, grabbing a snack can be the key to holding you over until your next meal. However, if you have diabetes, pre-diabetes, or another condition that requires you to be mindful of your blood sugar levels, it's vital to opt for blood sugar stabilizing foods. If you fall into any of the mentioned categories, you've likely been advised to steer clear of plenty of foods. Luckily, there is still a range of options that will not only satisfy your hunger but also keep your blood sugar levels in check. Protein and fiber work to ease the rise in blood sugars at snack time, rather than the sharp blood sugar spike you might experience with refined grains, high added sugars, and/or absence of protein. Here are 5 snacks that can help you manage your blood sugar, and for more, check out effortless ways to lower your blood sugar. Apple slices plus peanut butter. Apple is a good source of carbohydrates in the form of the natural sugar fructose. Dip it in peanut butter to add protein for helping to manage blood sugar. A medium-sized apple has 4.8 grams of fiber. This nutrient helps slow down digestion, which prevents your blood sugar from rapidly rising. In addition to being packed with vitamins, apples are also chock full of polyphenols. These antioxidants have been found to stimulate the pancreas release of insulin. This helps the body's cells absorb sugar, ultimately decreasing blood sugar levels. Plus, the peanut butter is jam-packed with healthy fats, making this classic snack combination ultra-satisfying. Cottage cheese plus peaches. Cottage cheese, especially low-fat versions, is a great source of protein that, when paired with fruit like a peach, can help increase fiber intake and stabilize blood sugars. Despite being known for their sweetness, peaches are considered a low glycemic fruit, scoring a 42 on the glycemic index, GI. This system ranks how carbohydrate-containing foods raise blood sugar levels. Foods that have a rating of 55 or lower are considered low glycemic. Packed with potassium, vitamin A and C, this summertime staple fruit also has many health benefits, including supporting heart health, decreasing inflammation, and improving digestion. Hummus plus carrots. While they are on the sweeter side, carrots are a low-carb, non-starchy vegetable, which means they don't have a significant impact on blood sugar levels. Aside from offering a source of protein, chickpeas, the star ingredient in hummus, contain healthy fats. These fats help slow down the absorption of carbs, allowing sugar to be released into the bloodstream at a steadier rate. Using hummus as a dip for a vegetable with good fiber content, like carrots, will help keep blood sugars level. In fact, a study published in Nutrition Journal found that white bread released 4 times more sugar into the blood than hummus did, despite the fact that both foods contain the same amount of carbs. Yogurt plus blueberries. While yogurt can be a sneaky source of added sugar if you opt for a flavored variety, consuming plain, non-fat, or Greek yogurt can actually help keep your blood sugar levels at bay, as they are high in protein and low in carbs. Yogurt's blood sugar-friendly properties can be partially attributed to the probiotics, which could boost the body's ability to metabolize sugar-containing foods. These probiotics have also been suggested to help lower inflammation. Almonds plus oranges. Oranges are yet another fruit that makes the American Diabetes Association's list of superstar foods, thanks to their low glycemic index and high fiber content. To round out the nutritional profile of this snack, the almonds also provide fiber, as well as protein and healthy fats. In a 2011 study, researchers found that participants who ate 60 grams, 0.46 cups, of almonds daily for 12 weeks experienced lower levels of fasting insulin and fasting blood sugar than those who ate the controlled diet.